So in this experiment we will make a butt joint by arc welding up to mild steel pieces. So for the job we have to take two mild steel pieces. This dimension is shown here, 40 length, breadth 30 mm and thickness of the plate is 8 mm. Both these two plates are of same dimension. Now we have to use the arc welding to make the butt joint. So for this the tools and equipment are required. One is AC welding machine, welding electrode, face shield, hand gloves, file, shipping hammer, welding table, bench vise, wire brush, flexible grinder is required. So different type of tools, like this one is welding rod, this one is hacksaw, this one is steel centimeter, this one is tong, this is punch, this one is clamping device, and these are the files, different types of files, square, round, circular. So this is a tong, this is the scriber, this is the hand gloves, this is the eye shield for the welding, and that one is the size here. So all these are used for different purposes in the welding operation. So likewise fitting, we have to take two pieces. So these two pieces are made from one pieces as shown here. So the last pieces is clamped into the thighs and it is being cut with the help of a saw. One more pieces will be made after this one. So after the work pieces is being cut, now we have to go for the filing for the smoothness or the flatness of the work pieces. Then we are going for the butt welding using the arc welding process. After both the work pieces being cut, then both the surfaces, upper and lower surfaces, are being cleaned using the sandpaper. Before using the sandpaper, we use the file or other type of files for cleaning or flatness of the work pieces. So for welding purpose, for the arc welding processes, we require two cylinders. One is acetylene, one is oxygen cylinder. So here this is the part where the oxygen is coming. This oxygen cylinder is black. So here are some parts. This is the power supply for the welding. So for our convenient and according to the requirement of the welding process, so we can use different types of power supply, like different types of current requirement for the welding purposes, like 150, 250. So according to the for different needs, we can use different amount of current for the welding purposes. The two pieces are clamped like this, and this is the electrode which is used for arc welding. So butt welding is done using this arc welding process, which is shown like this.